Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to edit your drop-down questions on your pre-tour surveys. So it is a little bit different than just editing the normal questions. Normally you would go into the site section. Under surveys, we can look under the Nurture Pro folder and we'll have the pre-tour survey. So right here we have like, say, how did you hear about us section. You have all these different drop-down selections. Same with the total wedding budget. You have these drop-down questions. If you want to change just a normal field like this, you can just change it here in the survey settings. But if you want to change what the options are in a drop-down type field, in a drop-down type field with, say, your total wedding budget or how did you hear about us section, we can go back. That will be under the settings section. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, we'll have settings, and then we can go down to the custom fields section, and that will be, you can scroll down on the sidebar and find custom fields. Then we can search for our total wedding budget, and then it'll appear there. So under the custom fields, these are basically all the questions that we can create and put into forms. So any forms that you have or any surveys that you sent out, this is where all the questions that you create will be stored. So I always like to go to the page size to do 200 to see all of them there, and then you can see pretty much all of them we've created here. Like, how many venues have you toured so far? Please list any venues. So to go edit the drop down, we'll go total wedding budget. You can select the total wedding budget and then go to bulk actions. And from here, we'll go to edit, and then we can select which values we want to input in here. And then once you're done, you can say you want to add an option. If we wanted to add a 25,000 to 35,000 range, we could add that in there. This will be the value, and then this is what it will show as it's saying. If you want to delete them, you can just delete and then make sure to save your work, and then that will update it in the survey for you. So you can go back and double check it if you want to. Just go into the site section, surveys, builder, and then we go to Nurture Pro, the pre-tour survey. And if we go down, we can now see that the total wedding budget is now updated to have our correct options we've entered in. Same goes if you want to change any other drop-down fields, like how did you hear about us? And that's basic rundown. If you ever have any other questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Then have a good time. Happy nurturing. Bye.